Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time, then I had the nerve, the audacity to post that pre-recorded video. I ain't got no explanation. I don't have an excuse. Okay, boys, I'm back. I know, whatever, fake girl. But I really am feeling myself today. I came on here fully be prepared for a wig review. I'm gonna call this series Wigs Under $100 because this is really under $100. Like, dead serious under $100. But I can't stop touching my shoulders because your girl love her a good statement. And I love this top. I'm gonna just do like a little try on haul for it because I'm feeling it and it's really cute for pictures. Forever 21 did they thing, baby. Did they thing. Moving on. Yeah, I look good. New products as well. Yeah, I've been going that long. I've been shopping. Whew. But y'all may have seen this wig. Y'all may have not seen this wig. I'm not sure, but this is a T-part lace front wig by Melted Hairline. The box is all bent up. Amazon. By Outre. Y'all know Outre. Y'all, I ain't forget everybody was on pack here. I ain't forget Outre Purple Pack. I ain't forget because I still be buying her. I had my camera kind of high. I'm sitting kind of low today, but this is how she came in the pack. I took her off the plastic. Okay, I have her in this shade Natalia. I'm just saying Natalia or Style Natalia. The shade is a bunch of numbers and letters. I'm gonna just put a screenshot of which one I got exactly. But y'all, hold on, let me take all this extra out of there. But y'all, I see why TikTok blew her up. I had to do a color. I had to do a color. This is the picture here. You see, like she already has baby hairs. She already has, but okay. Now that I see like down here it has the color and specs. Okay, I have DR4 Golden Amber. I have the shade Golden Amber. Baby hairs are included. An elastic band is in effect, ladies. Elastic band. Human hair, blend hair. You can use flat irons because I will be using flat irons. Let me tell you exactly. Up to 400. Cut that tag off. I'm kind of. She looks so secure. Not a complaint, but y'all, she tangled already. That's expected, synthetic. But y'all, look at the pluck. Do y'all see her? Please don't mind my nails. I need a feel. But look at. I'm gonna push y'all back some so we can do the cap and everything because I'm a little excited. Yes, I said it, excitement. I'm a little excited as far as y'all gonna go. I already have my creams and everything because this is a light wig cap. I don't do the ball cap method. Oh, she is bomb edge control on the edges for relaxed and natural hair. Best edge control in the game. Also wax stick. Best wax stick in the game, y'all. Like the best. I don't use liquid foundation or cream foundation on my caps. I use powder. That's done or whatever. So after that, what I like to do is basically get excited to throw her on. I'm gonna put powder on the lace. Only powder. Oh, this is not a T-part. Hold on. Part. Who said that in the comments on Amazon? The reviews are done. I'm gonna keep that powder on the side. Okay. I use my face powder. But we're done. I'm gonna cut the camera. Then I'm gonna come back when I have it on, and I'm gonna. We're back. Okay. I just combed her out and everything. Girl, I don't know. Okay. When I first put her on, definitely wasn't feeling the color at all. Like, honestly, I've been sitting here for like 10-15 minutes looking at myself in the mirror. I like this way better. I don't care if I like it or not. I do. Oh, there. Just a little bit of that. I don't really like to use a lot, but let's just. Oh. What am I giving? Am I giving cute? Am I giving cute? Can somebody debate with me down below? I mean, I know I'm cute, but am I giving cute? Am I giving pretty girl? I don't know, y'all. Okay, disclaimer. I'm the one girl who hasn't played in the bright color, so I'm a little bit. Cut the lace. I'll spray down my first layer of Got to Be. I know I'm not a professional. Do I know what I'm doing? For me, I do. Well, I got it cut and somewhat down. Y'all see it's lifted right there, though. I forgot. This version of Got to Be is trash compared to the new one. It's okay, though. We only care about the... It's not even laid for real, but side is done. We gonna get it. For the most part. Y'all, all I did was just cut it like I did that side, spray it. I'm using my mic headphones to hold down this side, cause y'all, you already know, once that Got to Be lifts up, it's up, baby. It don't even gotta be perfect, it's just gotta look good for the video. But this is really for the week, so it needs to look a-okay. That's the little ear tabs and stuff I cut off. I'm so happy I decided to do that. I already sprayed the first layer up here, y'all. So that's more than set. You already know. I'm pretty sure y'all seen a lot of videos like this. Y'all just ain't seen nobody like me do it because I really don't know what I'm doing. They had practice. I've been practicing behind the camera and it's a lot more stressful than what y'all think trying to look good for this camera. Maybe I disconnected the headphones. I couldn't do it no more. I guess I just really needed this to set first because it keeps lifting up the lace. And honestly, I mean, she ain't laid down right, but she laid. She ain't gonna go nowhere for now. Okay. With the lip touch up. How am I feeling? This I don't know. How do I look? But the only thing that tangles up is the ends. But as long as you do this and keep the hair that's coming out gone, it's cool. I really would say I probably just have to do this a lot because I just took her out the package. Actually have her on and then I was cutting. But how does she look? I like her. It really, I can't lie, it's bringing out my skin tone. And She's Bomb Edge Control really she did her thing with this formula because my lace was not laying as good as it's laying right here until I did my edges. Girl, you did your thing. So we're not even going to further discuss as to why I always break the bank and buy 4 of these when I can. We're not even about to further discuss it. But we're going to do, sit up some. We're going to do some, some slow-mos for the beginning of the Thank y'all for staying strong and coming back to my channel even though I'm just a small channel here on this platform. Thank y'all for coming back every week. And just thank y'all for the support. All 68 of y'all, we here. we here with it. So thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned for the next video, of course. We have a new upload schedule, not once a week now, we're gonna do twice a week. So that's the end, I guess.